What is the area of the blue region? Let angle CAD equals beta. By Pythagoras' theorem, the square of line AC equals the sum of the square of line CD and the square of line AD, which equals to 500. After substitution of values, take the square root of the equation. It implies that line AC equals the square root of 500, which equals 10 times the square root of 5. Hence, line CD divided by line AC equals 10 divided by 10 times the square root of 5, which equals to sine beta. It follows that sine beta equals 1 divided by the square root of 5. We call it equation 1. Also, cosine beta equals 2 divided by the square root of 5. We call it equation 2. Hence, join line FD. Angle F equals 90 degrees. By trigonometric identity, line AF divided by AD equals to line AF divided by 20, which equals cosine beta. It implies that line AF divided by 20 equals to 2 divided by the square root of 5. Cross multiply and we have that line AF equals 2 times 20, all divided by the square root of 5, which equals to 8 times the square root of 5. We call it equation X. Locate center O of the semicircle and join line EO. It follows that these lines, each equals to the radius, are of the semicircle, which equals to half of line AD, that is equals to 10. It signify that triangle AOE is a 45 degrees right triangle. Hence, angle OAE equals angle OEA, which equals 45 degrees. By Pythagoras' theorem, the square of line AE equals the sum of the square of line AO and the square of line EO, which equals to 2 times the square of 10. Take the square root of the equation. It means that line AE equals 10 times the square of 2. We call it equation Y. It implies that from triangle EAF, let angle EAF equals theta. Hence, the sum of theta and beta equals 45 degrees, which equals to angle OAE. It follows that theta equals 45 degrees minus beta. By trigonometric identity, sine 45 degrees minus beta equals the result shown on the screen. Substitute values of equation 1 and equation 2. Sine 45 degrees minus beta equals 2 minus 1. All divided by the square root of 10, which equals to 1 divided by the square root of 10. After substitution and simplification of values, we call it equation Q. Hence, area of the blue region equals half the product of line AE and line AF times sine 45 degrees minus beta. Substitute values of equation X, equation Y and equation Q. Hence, area of the blue region equals the product of 10 times the square root of 2 and the 8 times the square root of 5. All divided by 2 times the square root of 10, which equals to 40 in square units. After simplification of values, therefore, the required area of the blue region equals 40 square units.